Hello dear friends, I'm back today with a unique halwa recipe for you. Guess what? We are going to make Papeete Ka Halwa or Papaya Halwa. This is a very delicious one. Have any of you tried making or tasted this before? Do share with me in the comment section. This is made in a jiffy and all the ingredients that go into the making of this halwa can be eaten during fasting period. So this is a perfect one to make during Navratras on one of the days. Do give it a try. And now you know you have an option. If you buy a papaya, if it is not too sweet, you know how to use it. So make and enjoy this delicious halwa with papaya. Papaya halwa or Papeete ka halwa. Very easy to make and so delicious. Check out the ingredients list in the description box. Let's get started. First we'll puree the papaya. Don't make it into a fine paste, just keep it little coarser. Now in a pan, heat about 1 tablespoon of ghee. If you wish, you could reduce the quantity, but this much is required to saute. Once it melts, add the puree. Now we are going to stir this until the moisture is all dried up. The puree looks so nice in color, but somehow it was not tasty. That's why I decided to make the halwa. If you're specially buying for making halwa, get a bigger one so that you get a nice quantity. This is just sufficient for 2. Now continuously you keep stirring it. You can see already the moisture is dried up. At no stage are you going to leave it, because then it might get stuck to the bottom and turn blackish. Now at this stage, we will add a pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Continue to stir again on medium flame. I'm not adding any saffron because already the color is lovely orange. You can see now the moisture is all dried up very nicely. Time to add sugar. I'm adding organic brown sugar. You can add the normal sugar also. I use this sugar, that's why I'm adding this, but if you add the normal white sugar, the color is lovely, nice orangish. This is little blackish, so the halwa turns dark brown. Now continuously keep stirring with the spatula until the moisture of the sugar also dries up. Cover and cook it on low flame until you see the ghee separating. Intermittently keep stirring again. Towards the end, we'll add 1 tablespoon of cream and cashew paste. This I always have ready at home in my freezer, but other options are little bit of khoya or a tablespoon of milk powder. You can add any of these for extra flavor. Again, simmer it. Now cook up until you get the desired consistency of halwa. It's nearly done. You can also add little poppy seeds in this. but a lot of people don't use on fasting days, so you can skip. And you can garnish this with any dry fruits of your choice. I have fried cashews in ghee and garnish them on top. Doesn't it look so inviting? So give it a try. I'm sure you will also love this halwa. Thank you for watching. Check out these videos from my collection in case you have missed them. So stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye.